Namaskar, my name is Trilok Narayan Tarak, and let's start to our second practice, the second series with our joint loosening movement. That one is related with our hand joints. Before the first series, we already practiced the anterometatic series for our leg joints. Second is the next for our hand joints. So it is a very simple and easy. It's a look like same with the leg joints. So how to do that one? Just look at me and practice with me. First, to sit straight, any posture which is comfort for you. Make straight your spine. Your neck is forward and straight, gaze in front, and raise your both hands forward, straight. Then first, to make a fist, put your both thumb inside and give a pressure. Here, exhale and give a pressure in your fist as much as inhale and stretch your both palms and your fingers maximum. One more, exhale, inhale, exhale, last one, inhale and stretch. This is the Mustika Bandh. The practice name is Mustika Bandh. The next one is our next for our wrist joint. Make the fist and rotate your fist joint. That one, the name is Mani Bandha Chakra. Clockwise rotate slowly and normally your breath. After now, anti-clockwise. Rotate your fist, your wrist joint, and relax. The practice name is Mani Bandha Chakra. The next, number 3 practice, it is a Mani Bandha Naman. Relax your fist and down your palm inside. Inhale, exhale and up your palm, give a pressure, inhale and down, exhale and up, one more, inhale and down, exhale and up, and now relax. Number 4, that one is elbow movement. It is called Kohini Naman. Turn your palm upward, exhale and touch your shoulder, bend your elbow. Inhale and straight your both hands forward. Again, touch your shoulder and exhale. One more. Inhale and straight your both hands. Exhale and touch your shoulder. The next practice is Skanda Chakra, shoulder rotation. Slowly up your elbow. Your hand, your both palm is going to touch your shoulder. Your elbow is going up. Lift straight. Your spine should be straight. Gaze in front. Do not down your neck. And slowly open your shoulder and your chest and down your elbow. Slowly move forward and make together your elbow and again up. Remember, here do not down your neck. It should be straight and still. Just move your elbow and your shoulder. So first, clockwise, we are going to move our shoulder. Slowly move. Normally your breath. Then now opposite side, anti-clockwise. Here also remember your neck should be straight. Do not move forward or not to down. It should be straight. And slowly move your elbow clockwise and then after anti-clockwise. And now relax your pose, relax your hand and down, Sit normal. This is the series. The number 1 is the Mustika Bandh. Number 2 is the Manibandha Chakra. Number 3 is Manibandha Naman. Number 4 is the Kohni Naman. And number 5 is the Skandha Chakra. These are the series for our hand joints, and it is very effective for our hand and the shoulder and the neck joint. Remember, it is very easy and simple, so any time, anywhere you can practice. Even you can practice with the chair in the office also. So this is a very easy practice, and before we are going to practice the leg joint series, and this one, how many times we need to practice every day? So the answer is as much as you have time. You can practice minimum 5 times each, or maximum 10 to 15 times. So this is the second series, Pawan Muktasan part 2 for hand joints. And now we are going to practice the next one, the next series in the next class. Thank you very much.